I have two generic images here that have unbalanced lighting. One image is a bit green, and the other is too magenta. Sometimes this white balance ratio is intentional. For example, it may be the result of a specific type of film or a lookup table, otherwise known as a LUT. However, sometimes a correction is needed and my lighting is unbalanced. In either edit mode or develop mode, ACDSee features a white balance tool that allows you to control the spectrum of light in order to remove or add opposing spectrums. This allows you to correct the lighting. You can find white balance in edit mode in the adjustment layers here, or you can find it within develop mode right here. The tool is very simple. There are two spectrums of light, temperature and tint. They feature a gradient from cool lighting to warm and green tinting to magenta, respectively. Moving the slider towards a side adds that type of lighting. An image that is already quite green would be made more so by sliding the tint further towards green, and the opposite is also true. In this image, for example, my lighting is a bit green, and it's also a bit yellow, so I can move the tint into the magenta spectrum and move the temperature into the cooler blue light. This fixes the lighting and it makes it appear more natural. In my next image, the colors are a bit magenta and yellow, so what I can do is cool my image's temperature by moving the slider this way, and also increase a bit of green tint by moving the slider here. And as a result, my image appears a little bit more natural. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.